বাড়াবে না তোমার বয়স কত ছিল না তোমার বুড়ার
Hey everyone. Today's crypto highlights include stablecoins making waves with record inflows, Michael Saylor's massive Bitcoin buy, and a former Binance.US CEO being floated as the next SEC chair. Let's dive into the details. Bitcoin trades below $92.
লিখুন ভাই